Are you struggling with tuple unpacking in Java? If you've created tuple classes and want to simplify your function parameters, you're in the right place. Today, we will explore how to implement tuple unpacking effectively. I totally understand how frustrating it can be to deal with typecasting when working with tuples. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when trying to streamline their code. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there any way to remove the typecasting when using tuple unpacking for function parameters in Java? This is a common issue, especially when dealing with multiple tuple types. So what exactly is the problem here? When using tuples, typecasting can become cumbersome, especially if you want to support various tuple sizes like tuple 2, tuple 3, and so on. Let's break down the issue and find a solution. And stick around. By the end of this video, I will share a neat trick that can help you avoid typecasting altogether. To address the user's concern about typecasting in tuple unpacking, we can start by modifying the function interfaces. The user should ensure that the function interfaces for tuple unpacking are generic enough to handle multiple tuple types without requiring explicit casting. Next, the user should implement a method that can handle different tuple sizes dynamically. This can be achieved by creating a common interface that all tuple classes implement, allowing for more flexible function definitions. Now, the user can refactor the mapping functions to utilize the new interfaces. This will help eliminate the need for typecasting by allowing the functions to accept tuples directly. Finally, the user should test the implementation with various tuple sizes to ensure that the solution works seamlessly across all tuple types. This will confirm that typecasting is no longer necessary. Fun fact, did you know that Java's type system is designed to catch errors at compile time? This means that using generics can not only simplify your code, but also make it safer. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests introducing two new methods, map to tuple and unwrap. This method allows you to transform elements into tuples and then unwrap them without needing typecasting. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves creating an unpack function to handle tuple unpacking. Instead of using typecasting, this method allows you to unpack tuples directly within the map function. For example, you can use map with unpack to transform a tuple into another tuple without the need for casting. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves adding getters for the elements in tuple 2. This way, you can access the values directly without needing typecasting. They recommend using the map function to create a tuple and then another map to retrieve the values using the getters. Here's the trick I promised. Always use generics when dealing with tuples. This will save you from the headache of typecasting and make your code cleaner and more maintainable. And there you have it. By using generics, you can simplify tuple unpacking in Java and eliminate unnecessary typecasting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more programming tips and tricks.